Our cars are becoming more advanced every day, rapidly transforming how we drive. As auto technology continues to change, the effect on auto glass installation will be remarkable. Consumer demand, changing legislation, and momentum from NHTSA are driving growth in advanced driver's assistance systems, or ADAS, like never before. In fact, NHTSA's new 5-star safety rating system now includes forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking. Technologies like lane keep assist, lane departure warning, pedestrian detection, forward collision alert, and adaptive cruise control are becoming commonplace, making us more aware and keeping us safer. So, what do all of these technologies have in common? They all require cameras, lasers, and radar systems to work together to function, requiring that they be calibrated properly. This presents a challenge to auto glass installers, as many of these cameras mount to the windshield. Many installers are unaware of the need for calibration or have been struggling with how to handle these complex installations. But now there's a solution. Opti-Aim is the industry's first aftermarket tool to perform the required camera calibration once a windshield has been replaced. Camera calibration is a complex process that's different for every vehicle, but Opti-Aim simplifies it. Once connected to the vehicle, Opti-Aim initiates the camera aiming process and works with the car to optimize the camera's alignment and restore the ADAS features to the OEM specification. Whether it's a static calibration precisely measured and aimed within your shop, or a dynamic calibration where the process uses lane markers to align the camera, Opti-Aim enables even the most complex calibration with pinpoint accuracy. Opti-Aim helps you stay current with emerging calibration opportunities, keeping you in the game and getting your customers back on the road. Opti-Aim. The road belongs to Pilkington.